So what you can also do in Google Vids is you can go ahead and import out slides directly and then edit it out as a video project. So to do that, you need to go around onto File, then you need to go to Import Slides right here. Then you may have your Google slide right here that you have made. So you can just go ahead right here and open it out to import it out right here just like this. So you can choose the slide that you want to go ahead and import and then import out the slides right here just like this. And what happens is that it simply gets imported right here just like this. As you can see, all of the slides right here are imported right here. So you can see that these texts are all editable right here, and you can go ahead and add in animations as you need right here just like this as well, and turn this into a video as you please just like this. You can also go ahead and import out slides stored on your computer. So for that, you need to go to File, and then you need to go to Import Slides again. And then if you want to upload out your own slides, you need to go to the Upload section right here and then click on Browse right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can simply go ahead onto the folder where you have your slide. Let's say, for example, I have it on my desktop. So you can simply go ahead and upload it out right here, and that slide will be imported out as a Google Vids project. So you can see that it is loading, so you need to wait for a bit. And then the import slide will open up just like this. You can select all slide or just import out the slide that you want right here just like this, and click on Import Slides right here, and that will be imported out onto your project just like that. So that is how you can import slides or contents from Google Slides that you may have stored on your Google Drive. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.